Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. I created this eye look that is maroon, red, purpley shimmer, which is perfect for hazel eyes. I use the Soft Glam palette by Says Beverly Hills, and we're just gonna jump right into it. So I go in with the shade Orange Soda on Ariel A11. As you know, if you watch my videos, Ariel A11 is my favorite blending brush, and the Ariel brushes are my absolute favorite. And so I am just blending this all over my crease area up into my brow, down to my lid, creating a nice warm orange crease. The tutorial for my other eye will be linked below, and then I'm going to show you how when I use my blending motion, all that is in my wrist movement. Next, on an Ariel A25, I'm going with the shade Burnt Orange, which is just a more brown tone orange shade. And I'm very softly blending this into my crease, being more precise, just adding some definition right into that crease area, but keeping it low, not bringing it up too high into my brow or too low onto my lid. And this is just going to help build up that warm crease. Also, all my products that I'm using in this tutorial will be linked below. And make sure you take your time blending out your eyeshadow. I'm an overblender, not an underblender, but I will take my time and blend out every single eyeshadow. These brushes are spectacular for blending and they're so soft and fluffy, and I will just sit there and I enjoy it so much, and I will just make sure every single eyeshadow is well blended. So just take your time, and that's really going to pull the look together. Next, I'm going to take the same Ariel A25 and go with the shade Sienna. Sienna is a gorgeous red tone brown brick kind of shade, and I'm going to blend this into my crease, taking my time, and it's just going to really help warmthen up the crease, make it more maroon and warm. And I love maroon and purpley shades and all those kind of shades on hazel eyes, which is why I think this is going to be a really good hazel eye look. This will look good on any eye shade, but it will definitely bring out those hazel eyes. And I am blending this all the way to my inner crease and my outer crease. I am staying away though from my inner corner. I don't want my inner corner to have any dark eyeshadows. My inner corner is going to be very white and bright and vibrant. So I am just making sure that I am blending this to my crease but not touching my inner corner. Then I'm just going to go in with the previous A11 brush and just kind of blend them all together. Next, I'm going in with the shade Mulberry on my finger, and I'm going to pack this on my lid. I'm going to pack this so it's the darkest at my lash line, but I am going to bring this up into my crease area. And I just kind of want this to look like airbrushed and fluffy, not super, like no harsh lines. So with my finger, I'm just blending it out and blending it up into the shade Sienna, but no harshness. Want everything to kind of look like a cloud, blended together. And Anastasia Beverly Hills, her eyeshadow formula is so finely milled that there can be a lot of fallout, but these shades just blend like a dream together. I absolutely love her formula. It's my top favorite eyeshadow formula. And again, I am avoiding my inner corner because I want my inner corner to be very bright. And if you add dark eyeshadow with these looks to your inner corner, it can close off your eye. With an angled eyeshadow brush, I'm going to take the darkest brown shade in the palette, which is called Cypress Umber, and I am going to pat this at my lash line and smoke it out. I am going to be pretty messy with it, but I want a really smoky lash line. I am so obsessed with a smoky lash line. I've been doing this in so many looks lately, and it just really helps make your eyelashes look thicker and brighter, especially if you're wearing false lashes. So I'm just going to smoke out my lash line. Next, I'm going in with the star of the show, the shade Sultry. It's a very beautiful purple maroon shimmer shade. As you know, on Beverly Hills formula, her shimmers are just buttery, soft, amazing. And so I am packing this with my finger on top of all that eyeshadow. And again, these purple maroon tones just make those hazel eyes pop. So this is a perfect eye look for hazel eyes. And again, I am avoiding my inner corner because I want my inner corner to be nice and bright. And I'm using tapping motions to disperse the eyeshadow. And then I'm going to take the shade Rose Pink on my finger. It's a light pink shimmer, and I'm just going to tap this on the center to give a halo highlighted effect. And then with an angled eyeshadow brush, I'm going to go back in with the shade Cypress Umber and smoke out my lash line some more. Next, I'm going to highlight my inner corner. I'm going to go with the shade Tempera on a Morphe GH38. This is the perfect inner corner highlight because it's very vibrant and bright, but it has a slight sheen of shimmer to it. So I'm going to create a very bright inner corner highlight, and then I'm going to put a light dusting underneath my brow bone. I'm gonna smoke out my bottom lash line with the shade Sienna on a ColourPop E21. This is gonna help balance the top and bottom lid. I absolutely love ColourPop's eyeshadow brushes as well. They're like my second favorite. And so I'm just gonna take my time here. This time is like really important to blend and make sure this is nice and well blended. And I'm just gonna smoke out that bottom lash line. Then I'm going to take the shade Orange Soda on L'Oreal A11 and just blend that into Sienna on the bottom lash line, creating a nice, warm, smoky lower lash line. I'm then going to dust away any fallout and apply my favorite nude eyeliner. This is the Essence Gel Nude Eyeliner, some mascara, and then some Ardell Wispy Lashes, and that completes this look. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.